Hello everyone, this is Max from wpholdercom, the channel where you can ask for help and check website tutorials. So today I got the help request from my subscriber by email that he has issue with website. Like website is really ready, looks like this, and which is ok, but it has a such issue. By the way, if you have some issues with your website, do not hesitate to contact me by email or by comments in the YouTube video. So this issue on the phone. So to recognize this issue, we should go to the website and click inspect code. So go to the mobile view and we see that shop now button is out and this one is out and this is out and this is out. So, but I can tell you from this view that the issue is this shop now button, and once it will be fixed, is this elements like cart and this announcement bar will be okay. So let's try to check what issue with this shop now button. First, what I want to say is that this button does nothing. Like I click it and it really does nothing. When I go to inspect code, we can see that this button is behind some other elements, like I don't know, like some other elements. Okay, so this one I can delete it, and it's still not clickable. You can see it's still not button. Like no matter what I do, it's still not button. So it's not best place for this button because it's behind some other element. It's just overlapping, so it's not clickable. But as we go here, we see it will work. I go to inspect, and here we get our button which goes to the shop now. So we should fix this button. Okay, I can tell that this issue is probably because position in absolute is wrong or position relative, and there is some absolute positioning. So let's check my theorem and let's go to the top level of div, and right here is the left 837 pixels. It shouldn't be like this. You should not use position absolute here at all. So once we remove it, you can see it's all good, but it can be like this, of course. So let's go to Elementor, or what is it? I think it's Elementor, and let's try to fix it for the person who asked for help. Oops. There is music in the background, which is okay. Okay, so let's go to the button element. Here is button, go to advanced, and there should be positioning. We can see offset 837. So basically we really need to remove it because it anyway doesn't work, and we should put button somewhere in other place. So probably the best place for it is where it can be. Let's check. So I think the best place for it is below this logo, somewhere here. So let's just move it right there. I'm not sure why logo is not here, but let's just try remove position and let's make it centered, position default. And how to make it centered, I'm not really like this. Okay, I just don't use Elementor really every day. Okay, like this. So let's click publish and see how it works on the front end. My internet connection is lost as always. This is my issue. I always have bad internet. And again, so we reload the page and we should have this button somewhere here, but I don't see it. Okay, we have button, but it's below this header. It's probably header, But as you can see, the issue with responsive fixed totally, no issues anymore. So right now the task is to position this button better. There is header, which looks like this. Okay, so probably the header is not best for this. I would recommend you to move logo to the left and menu elements not visible. I'm not sure if the person who asked for help will like it. So I would recommend you to move logo to the left and put these elements to the right and have some kind of normal menu because you can see it's overlapping. I leave it like this. You can do it without me if you want, but with button we should fix it. It's definitely. So the best here actually is to fix header. Yeah, I thought we shouldn't do it, but I shouldn't do it, but I don't see any other way to fix it. So let's check what kind of header is it. Like Astra, the person thought it's Astra, customize, and let's check. You can see the menu elements is not visible here, really not visible, and this not visible, so it really will create issues in the future for your clients, which is not great. So actually the header should be fixed. Let's wait until it's loaded and let's try to get it ready. Okay, so it's loading. And header builder, I think it's here. Okay, so site title logo, account, menu, cart. Okay, by the way, here it looks like, oops, here it looks even different a bit, but we can see here the header builder. So I would recommend you to not do like this because menu is not in one line. I would just try to do mine version, but you always can revert to your. So let's try if it works. It does something. I don't know. Please do something. Logo with, okay. I'm not sure why it's not changing anything. Okay, it's changed something. And you can still see the menu is too big. So the menu really is too big and height. What will be if we remove this height at all? It should be height after, I think. So slow. So slow. Design, bottom color, spice, padding, margin. Okay. Okay, but home shop contact rings, fake rings, balloonings, nose rings. I would recommend you to move these elements like real person rings, fake person rings, belly rings below the shop, so it will be like drop down. And this shop now button will make sense because it's still overlapping by menu. Okay, actually let's do like it was before. I will just leave it. And let's add here padding top, like advanced margin top 173. Oops, sorry, it should be like this, 173 pixels. So we moved it below header because header has height 173 pixels. But I would recommend you to redo header because it's not really visible. Anyway, you asked for help with button, I will do with button, no problem. Okay, and you can see the button is on the right place. It's clickable right now. You see I can inspect it, and by inspection we see actual button. Let's it loading. You see it's actual button, not overlapping by anything. If I click it, we will see the new link, and there are no any issues with the responsive. So if yeah, that's it. So if you have issues with your website, do not hesitate to contact me by email or by comments under this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave me donations. I will be really appreciating it. And let's actually do a bit of responsive here. So it's, oops, okay, like this. So it's not so big on the mobile and tablet. Yeah, should be okay. Okay, by the way, you can build the header with Elementor 2, not with Astra Builder, and it should be better because you will see a header in the builder. Okay, we see button, we see menu, we see navigation. If we go to responsive, we see the button and menu, and all good, and responsive works good. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave me donations, and have a nice day. Bye bye.